What's going on, guys? Little Panthers right here. I know. We're here on the Camaro Cave on a beautiful, well, not beautiful, but rainy Sunday. Yeah, I guess not rainy, but you know, is what it is. What do we have out here, T?
Somebody knocked.
Somebody knocked?
A box.
Yeah, there's a box.
We got a box, baby.
What is in the box, Tonya? Better be something good. Unboxing, guys. Unboxing. Oh, snap. Look at that. New collector's edition t-shirts. Camaro. Oh, what's on the sleeve? You got your Panther 6724 right on the sleeve, guys. So if you definitely have a ZL1 collector's edition, that's definitely the shirt for you. Well, you gotta try it on, see how it looks. Gotta make sure it fits right. Brand new 2024, guys. Chevy Camaro Collector's Edition t-shirts. And where can you get them? We will post the links for you. Check it out. Actually, it looks really good. Look at the detail on that. Tattered flag in the background, the actual Camaro logo with the Panther. Panther on the sleeve. And what else is in there?
One for you.
One for me. And is that a Camaro Panther hat for the SS Panther? Oh, snap. Look at that. Check it out, guys. We'll post on our page. But the collector's edition merchandise is coming. Let us know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to smash that like button.